Hey, what's up, guys? This is Justin at Phoenix Physical Therapy with your workout tip of the week. I'm going to talk today about an often overlooked aspect of health, fitness, and rehabilitation, and that is moving backwards. That's right, backwards. So there's multiple ways you can do this. One of my favorites is using a sled. I know the YMCA has a really nice sled that you can load up weight on and pull backwards in the functional fitness section, and I use that there. We use one here at Phoenix as well. And you might think that the sled is only for athletes, but that's not the case. We actually like to use the sled moving backwards for a functional knee exercise for all sorts of patients. If you have knee pain with squatting, bending down, anything like that, you can actually use walking backwards on a sled to work your quad muscles in a different way, in a more modified range of motion that will cause less shear force on the knee and less knee pain, while getting the same exact activation of the quad. So it's really useful to use in rehab, or if you have knee pain but you want to work those knees and you can't figure out a good way to do it. Another fun fact: walking backwards burns 40% more calories than walking forwards. So that's always something that's interesting. So I usually like to squat down like this and just pull it backwards. You got to go as far as you can, or until you're about to run into a wall. Now there's a few other ways we can walk backwards if you don't have a sled. You can use bands or cables and hold on to the handles and walk backwards like this, and then back forwards. And that'll get that similar concentric and isometric contraction of the VMO and the vastus lateralis right there. Additionally, if you're walking outside and there's a hill, I like to walk backwards up a hill, and that'll get the exact same activation and is just as good for your knees. And one additional component of this is there's a good cognitive benefit. So if you want to increase your neuromuscular connections to the knee and increase your balance and coordination, maybe you think you're a little bit off balance and you're at risk of falls, walking backwards is another great way to do that. So it's an all-encompassing exercise and definitely something you should try.